BMW's Office feature on the iDrive system allows you to save a new contact to the vehicle's hard drive. This contact can be accessed anytime you're in the vehicle and used within navigation or the phone setting. From the main menu, go to Office and select Contacts. To create a new contact to be saved in the vehicle, press Option and scroll down to New Contact. Enter all the input fields. When complete, select Store Contact in Vehicle. To access the contact, go to Office and select Contacts. When your phone is paired, a merged list will be displayed of contacts from the vehicle's hard drive and those on your paired phone. And if you'd like to have a contact from your phone stored permanently on the vehicle's hard drive, highlight the contact and press Options. Here, select Edit Contacts and then Store Contact in Vehicle.